We've got the Ferrari 430. Very lucky to have this car in the shop. Fantastic to see a black Ferrari because, you know, it's kind of my favorite color. The job we've done on this car, it's been a front end package of PPF. You can see just how hydrophobic it becomes. All right guys, check it out. We got another Ferrari in the shop here. So we've got the Ferrari 430. Very lucky to have this car in the shop. Fantastic to see a black Ferrari because, you know, it's kind of my favorite color for Ferraris personally. The job we've done on this car, it's been a front end package of PPF. So we've wrapped the front bumper, the bonnet, fenders, mirror caps, headlights, the whole front end of the car basically, just to protect it from stone chips. This car is actually owned by Tokyo Supercars. We'll leave a link to their website and social media in the description. You can check them out if you need a rental of a supercar while you're in Tokyo. These are the guys. So this is also on their platform. We've just finished the PPF. Next step up is going to be coating. Coating on the car, it's going to do UV protection, hydrophobic improvement, the waterproofing. So let's go ahead and get this thing ready. Guys, just taking a little break here. We've just finished the wash, but we thought we'd have a quick chat about the car itself because it's a pretty interesting one, you know?
Yeah, this is F430 Scuderia. So it's actually really limited 430. It's more like a track day focused F430, only produced about 1,800 units. So it's actually really rare. And aside from that, this car is actually like the end of an era, right? So you remember the F360 and then there was the 430. But then, what's that called? The
successor was the
yes.
458.
Exactly, yeah. The successor was the 458. And then, like, ever since 458, everything's changed. Like, you know, interior, exterior, everything's
got a bit more like modernized.
Exactly.
But maybe lost a little bit of the ferociousness.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So yeah, like this is where I was, you know, when I was raised or surrounded by cars, like every time I see a 430, I'll be like, yo, that's a Ferrari.
Yeah.
But now you see a 458, it's like, yo, that's a cool Ferrari.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's
and
lost the
like,
passion.
I think this car, like you hear it down the street too. Like before you even see it, you walk around, you hear the Ferrari noise, and you go, oh damn, check it out. So this is, as you're saying, the Scuderia version. So 20
Even
extra horsepower, sounds better.
Yeah,
they got higher airflow apparently, helped with the horsepower, but brought some more sound out too. So also carpets and everything's out. It's a more stripped interior.
Lightweight, and then new like aero design as well, you know, for the downforce and everything, intake.
So
yeah, I mean,
very cool to have it in the shop.
This is the first time, I mean, this is actually the second time we have a Ferrari in the shop. First time it was the F8.
Yeah.
And yeah, now we have the, you know, more like a historical Ferrari. Not like the old vintage ones, but yeah, still, you know.
Almost in like a sweet spot. Still raw, but not going to break down on you every time you use
exactly.
it.
So yeah, very happy to have this car in here. And now we're going to start the coating on the PPF.
Yep. All right, final step of this job is finished now. You've just seen us coat the car in the PPF area. So generally people will not sort of be super aware why PPF coating is necessary, but it adds extra UV protection, which you can sometimes see PPF gets kind of yellow over a few years. It helps prevent that. It also adds hydrophobic effect, so the waterproofing aspect as well. So PPF naturally has a bit of waterproofing in it, but this is just an additional layer and an increase in strength. Thought I'd show you guys a quick test. The car's been sitting here for over 24 hours now, so it's all cured. And you can see just how hydrophobic it becomes. All right, catch you guys in the next video. See ya. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.